At the SEBI stall at the Hornbill Festival, officials say that they have recorded over 800 visitors in just 9 days, marking a higher footfall than last year. What's even more encouraging is that more people, especially young visitors and first-time investors, are showing growing interest in the stock market, actively engaging in awareness sessions and activities at the stall.
Actually, Ansel was knowing his people's personal.
Which companies will file on what? Whenever you buy shares with a broker or with a company, if you have any grievances.
So today is the 9th day of the 26th edition of the Hornbill Festival, and we are at the SEBI store yet again, and Sir here will give us an update on whatever is going on in the SEBI store since day one. So Sir, could you please update us?
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Kumar. I am manager at SEBI Eastern Regional Office, Kolkata. And I'm very, you can say with great pleasure, I want to share that we are receiving a very heartwarming response from the crowd coming at Hornbill Festival. And this is our 4th consecutive year at Hornbill Festival. So we as a regulator, which is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, our main objective is to make investors aware about scams which are happening in securities market and how to prevent such scams. Because investors are generally not aware, and due to lack of awareness, they fall into such a type of traps. So it's very heartening to see that almost this is 9th day of the festival, and we have almost footfalls close to 800 people. So which is higher in number if you compare it with previous years. And we are engaging them with different types of puzzles, quizzes. You can see in the background also. Students are playing puzzles, solving puzzles, and very heartening to see that people of Nagaland are also getting onboarded onto the securities market. So awareness has increased, but still a lot of untapped potential remains. So we want to tap that untapped potential. So if you go by data also, number of unique client codes have also increased year by year, but still there is a lot of scope of improvement. So the more aware people will be, the more they will get into securities market.
So Sir, since you have given us the update and the data, like you've said that this year has been quite huge than the other years. So can you say that the crowd of Nagaland, not just Nagaland, but people from all over the country and the world come here. So can you say that the securities market, the information that the people have about the securities market has increased?
So you are absolutely right, because investors are getting a bit more confident, and a knowledgeable investor will be able to take an informed decision. So with data also, it is confirmed that people are getting more aware, and they are investing in the market with a bit of greater confidence. Although scams are happening, but we are doing our bit. We are taking preventive measures to prevent such scams from happening. So we are building investor confidence, and investors are also giving a very heartwarming response. So it is very nice to see.
Thank you so much for your time. So this is the update from the 9th day of the Hornbill Festival. Tomorrow is the last day of the Hornbill Festival, and we will be bringing you more updates from the SEBI store. For now, this is the update. For more updates, keep on watching Hornbill TV.